So hi guys, today we are unboxing a mystery box sent from Infinix. By the title of the video, I believe you will already know what's in the box, but for me, I'm about to find out. So it's just written mystery box everywhere. So we're going to check out what's inside the box. Okay, so there's just a carton, and inside there is this. Okay, so it's the Note 12 VIP. Infinix has recently launched the Note 12 series to the world, and there are a couple of devices in the Note 12 series. There's a Note 12, Note 12i, Note 12 G88, Note 12 G96, and this is the Note 12 VIP. So I think these cards are supposed to help you do something. This looks like a superhero. I don't know if Infinix licensed Flash or this is just their own character. At the back it's written Infinix Note 12 VIP, take the lead, performance. Fastest superhero with super speed symbolizes the great performance of the Note 12 VIP. Okay, so these are superheroes. So this is Flash from DC Comics, who is very fast, I guess. This is Iron Man from Marvel, of course, everyone knows Iron Man. Infinix Note 12 VIP, take the lead, innovation. He's not just a superhero, but an innovative inventor. Symbolizes the innovation of the new Note series. Okay. Ooh, this is Vision, I hope. I hope this is Vision. Oh, yeah, it's Vision. The future of advanced AI symbolizes the unique adoption of the new tech of the Note series. Guess what I am? It's already written, Note 12 VIP. Okay. Guess what I am? And if you remove that, you get the new Infinix Note 12 VIP. Okay. It comes in a very tall box. This is not the normal aspect ratio boxes normally come with, so a different experience. I don't know much about the Note 12 VIP, so I am going to be finding out with you because we haven't covered it on Techish yet. So it comes with 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of internal storage. It's Note 12, but the marker here shows you this is the highest end model VIP. On the side, Note 12 VIP. On the other side, Note 12 VIP. Okay, let me just check some of the certifications. It's TUV Reinhardt certified for fast charging and low blue light. The main specifications here are quite intriguing, to be honest. So 120 watts fast charging. Wow. The most Infinix has done before is 45 watt charging. So this is same to other high-end smartphones from Xiaomi that reach that level of fast charging. And Infinix says there's 103 protection features. It has an AMOLED display that's 120 Hz refresh rate. Okay, that's really nice. It has an 108 megapixel main camera. It is powered by the Helio G96 processor. It comes with 8 gigs of RAM, but you can expand RAM with internal storage with 5 gigabytes of internal storage so that you can access up to 13 gigabytes of extended RAM. I'll link down below how extended RAM works. And it's only 7.89 millimeters thin. So, yep. Okay, this looks to be a really promising device. Let's check it out. Okay, the unboxing experience is really nice. I love the black, and it's written VIP down here. On the top, Infinix of course is pushing the main features of this device. So the 120 watt charging, the AMOLED display that's 120 Hz, the 108 megapixel main camera, and Helio G96. So you are supposed to, I believe, grab this. Ooh, the phone is rectangular, and ooh, the sharp edge is nice. Let's put that here for a while. Underneath that, you get stickers. These are always included. They include your date of purchase, name, contact number, and all that. So your customer copy, shop copy, and sales copy, because this is the final unit you'll be getting if you're buying this phone. Okay, this is just plastic. Then underneath that, you get take the lead. This, I don't know how to pull this. Okay, through here. It's written take the lead VIP. Inside it, you get some stuff. Okay, let's just check out everything that's inside. So there's stickers. Yep, Infinix is now shipping phones with stickers, so you can use any of these stickers wherever you'll want, maybe at the back of your laptop or your device itself. Then you get XPack. If you're going to be buying or accessing XPack online, here are the details. XPack is Infinix website for online purchases, I believe. Then you get the SIM remover, the tiny for removing your SIM card. Then you get a free case. This one already spoils how the device looks like for me, because I don't know how the device looks at the back. So yeah, this is the case. Then you get, for the first time in a long time, I'm seeing a glass protector included. Then underneath that, you get the biggest charger Infinix has ever shipped. I believe this is the chunkiest charger from Infinix ever. It's a 120 watt charger. I love that this is retractable, and I love that I'll be using this for other devices, because that speed will be needed on other devices. And underneath that, you get the USB-C cable. So it's a type A to type C cable, and it's orange in color to denote that it's a fast charger. Then underneath that, you get normal earphones. They're not rubber tips, they're just normal 3.5mm jack to earbuds. So let's check out the phone. Ooh, this looks good. I don't know about you, but I think this is the best design Infinix has ever implemented. Ooh, look at that. Wow. So this is the main 108 megapixel camera. I think at the back they listed the ratings for the other cameras. So 108 megapixel camera, 13 megapixel, I believe ultra wide, and a 2 megapixel lens for depth, I believe. But it looks good, and in this color it looks really, really, really good. Can it stand? I have an obsession with these block fonts, if they can stand. Yes, it can stand. Yes. So it's like flat sides on all ends, and I love that they're not very sharp at the edges, so they are slightly curved at the edges, so not fully rectangular. Okay, let's look at the ports. At the bottom, there's a headphone jack, a microphone, a Type-C port, and a speaker. At the top, there's a microphone, and I guess this is the top speaker. At the side, there's the SIM tray. On this other side, there's a volume and the power button, which looks to be having the fingerprint scan. Okay, let's switch it on. Okay, so it comes running XOS 10.6.0 based on Android 12, so it's Android 12 out of the box. Okay, so there's a tutorial on accessing the launcher. There isn't apps, home, switching apps, and activating voice assistant. And that's it. I think it looks really good. I think this display is amazing. I hope it shows on camera, because I did not match the refresh rate to the camera. The approach now is to put things into this sort of segment, so XOS, family, tools, social, photos, and there's a widget, and these are like shortcuts to accessing certain stuff. I think I love this display. Let me check the bezels. The bezels look to be similar or equal on all ends. So all sides of the bezels are equal. That's really good. I hate fonts which come with huge chins over here. The chin over here is equal to the top bezel and the side bezels. That's really nice. Let's see, does it come with the display refresh rate set at maximum? It comes with auto refresh rate, which means it will choose between 60 and 120 depending on the use case, but I will put that to 120 forever. Let's now look at the camera maybe. Okay, the camera has a couple of features, including AR shot, slow motion, super night mode, portrait mode, AI cam, short video, panorama, time-lapse, super macro. Let's just flash something quick. Okay, here. Ooh, that's quick. Okay, I think this is a good camera from the details I can see here. That's really nice. The edge detection, the sharpness. I think it's true to life. Yeah, I think it's true to life. Maybe the camera won't show that. There's now an indicator when you're using the camera. That's good. So if an app is using your camera, you will get a green light at the top to tell you it's being accessed. I really like the design, to be honest. The display is quite good. I still feel XOS has some things to be done, to be tuned, to make it easier for more people and just much better looking, I believe. But the design nailed it. I will try the fast charging out. I love how this phone looks. Honestly, look at that. It looks like a very premium phone, which makes me wonder what will Infinix do with the Zero lineup, because the Zero lineup has been the high-end series. Anyway, that's it for the mystery box and unboxing of the Infinix Note 12 VIP. You can ask me any questions in the comment section below, and see you.